Hubstaff Review Usage Experience. In this video, we'll be reviewing Hubstaff, a powerful time tracking and employee monitoring tool designed for remote teams, freelancers, and businesses looking to optimize productivity. If you're considering Hubstaff for your team, I'll walk you through its features, pros, and potential drawbacks. Links to the product are included in the description below. Hubstaff is much more than just a simple time tracker. It offers automatic time tracking, GPS tracking for mobile teams, productivity monitoring, and project management integrations. Employees or freelancers can start and stop timers manually, or managers can enable automatic tracking, ensuring accurate work hour logs. The tool records activity levels based on keyboard and mouse usage, giving managers insights into employee engagement. One of Hubstaff's standout features is screenshot capture, which periodically takes snapshots of an employee's screen to verify work activity. This is especially useful for remote teams, but may feel intrusive for some employees. Additionally, Hubstaff provides app and URL tracking, so managers can see what websites and applications employees are using during work hours. Hubstaff integrates with over 30 popular tools, including Trello, Asana, Slack, QuickBooks, Jira, and PayPal, making it easy to sync time tracking data with project management and payroll systems. The automated payroll feature allows companies to calculate work hours and pay employees or freelancers directly through PayPal, Payoneer, Wise, and other payment platforms. Another major benefit is GPS tracking, making it an excellent choice for businesses with mobile teams, such as delivery services or field service professionals. Managers can track team members' locations in real time, ensuring accountability and efficiency. Hubstaff's detailed reports and analytics provide insights into work efficiency, project progress, and time allocation, allowing businesses to make informed decisions about productivity. The platform is available on Windows, Mac, Linux, iOS, and Android, ensuring seamless tracking across devices. However, there are a few downsides. Some employees may find the monitoring features too invasive, and while Hubstaff offers a free plan, it has limited functionality. The paid plans can become expensive for larger teams, and some users report that automatic tracking may sometimes log idle time inaccurately. Overall, Hubstaff is a top choice for businesses that need advanced time tracking, productivity monitoring, and payroll automation, particularly for remote teams and mobile workers. However, if you prefer a less intrusive or more affordable option, alternatives like Toggle or Harvest may be worth considering. If you're interested in trying Hubstaff, check the links in the description to sign up and improve your team's efficiency today.